everybody, back again. And probably today, what I would like to talk is about updating. We, the people who are born in 60s, have enjoyed the best of best life in all spheres. Initially, we had a wonderful childhood with all street games and chasing butterflies and running around fields and playing in lakes, going to the grandmother's house, listening to grandmother's tales. As a little, when we came to a further version, okay, there was that was the invent of the television. So ओके दैट वाज अनदर अब इन हमारे ज़माने में क्या था ना, सिर्फ हम वो बुधवार के दिन बिना का गीतमाला की राह देखते थे, बस वही था हमारा। और फरमाइशी फौजी को फरमाइशी का गाना जो सिलोन से आता था वो सुनते थे। देन एज वी ग्रू एंड एज वी केम टू द 80s, द advent of the TV. Of course, initially it was a black and white TV and limited channels and all. As time passed by, all the channels were upgraded and everywhere there was upgrading. And then finally, technology set in. Everything has the tag of technology. And we, if we do not keep pace with this so thing called as technology, we will be left behind. I have realized it very late. Initially, I used to say, I don't like all this technology. I would like to go back to the Stone Age. This is what I've been telling my friends. I don't like technology. Even when I was the president of the platform of women entrepreneurs, I wasn't much associated with all these emails and what is this passwords and your email IDs and all. I was not. But in spite of that 2 years, somehow I managed it with things. Even now, if you have to talk to me, I always insist on the hard copy. I always feel the hard copy is more reliable because this technology, whatever it is, the data, whatever it is, a fingertip here or a fingertip there, everything gets deleted and you are left with nothing. So I hard copy. But little as I moved on and all, initially when we got the phone, we had that ordinary phone. Oh, chota sa phone tha. There the messages used to come, the SMS used to come. After that, the Android system came, the touch screen came and all. And instead of saying we, a person of my age, when I become a senior citizen, we are rather fidgety with handling things. Very fidgety. Even now, when I had the washing machine initially and all, I didn't operate it for about 5 years. I said, I didn't operate it. My daughter used to operate it. Okay, the microwave oven came. Okay, there also I was fidgety. कौन सा बटन प्रेस करूँ, एक ज़्यादा किया तो जल जाएगा, एक कम किया तो उड़ जाएगा, और कुछ डाला तो it will get blown up. I mean, it was so scary because everything is at the fingertip. A little bit mistake with the fingertip here and there, the whole thing goes for a toss. But later I realized that थोड़ा तो इसमें हम लोग ना update होना चाहिए. A little bit, if not much. Okay, the phone. So when we are using the phone, naturally we get the calls. Okay, that is one thing. Again, we should know how to call. We should know how to save the numbers. पहले तो हमारे पास हार्ड कॉपी था. डायरी तो हमारा इतना मोटा मोटा बन गया, सब लोगों को नंबर लिखते. जब हम छोटे थे, we had pen pals. Hope I think all the senior citizens remember, no? When we were in school, we had a pen pal. Some person somewhere far off, and we used to write letters and used to wait for greetings and all that. But now again, वो ज़माना तो कब का चला गया. We've forgotten how to write letters. So now everything goes by the email. I think if I have to write a lengthy letter to somebody, people will laugh at me. अरे ईमेल में 1 मिनट में जो भेज सकते हैं, ये कागज़ के टुकड़े में लिख के पोस्ट ऑफिस में जाके पोस्ट करके भेजा, कौन लिखेगा ये and all that. So probably I think somewhere down the lane we have to get upgraded. I frankly didn't want to get upgraded. मैं हमेशा बोलती थी ना, I'm very fine with all the hard copies and all that. अभी भी when I'm staying in an apartment and I have to go and pay the rent, मैं हमेशा पैसा लेके बैंक में जाती थी वो चिट्ठी लिखने का. अरे my neighbor, the doctor, he told me, मैम it's so easy, गूगल डालो, पेटीएम डालो, एक फिंगर टिप में आप लोग पैसे बैठे बैठे भेज सकते हो, इलेक्ट्रिक बिल पे कर सकते हो. Otherwise we were the people, एक थैली गले में डाल के सब बिल दे के सब चिट्ठियाँ लेके हम लाइन में खड़े होते थे. परसों तक मैं भी लाइन में खड़े होते थे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भरने के लिए, पानी का बिल भरने के लिए, फ़ोन बिल भरने के लिए एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. And even when I got the mobile, I used to just run to the Airtel office to put the currency and all that. No, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बुद्धू थी, but I used to always feel no going and getting the work around done is always better. But of late, I have realized that no, you really save time by learning all these little things. So, friends, friends of my age or the people senior, let us learn so much in technology that I'm not talking that learn everything in technology, be tech savvy and all that, but at least learn certain things which will be of use to you. See, when the pandemic came, we needed medicines. And okay, we were allowed to go out to get the medicines, but was it safe to go out to get the medicines? I realized that you can get the medicines online. Okay, groceries. Kaha, groceries used to be open only in the mornings. We had to rush and all. And since I stay alone, somebody said you can order groceries online. And then I started little things. एक दो बार मिस्टेक हुआ है, ऐसा नहीं कि ना एक के बदले एक बटन दबा के मैंने कुछ हलचल हुआ है. But after that I tried to rectify. So now I think all of us should learn certain things which is right enough for us to manage our things independently. I always talk about independence. Once you are a senior citizen, try to be as independent as possible. पहले तो ना अगर बैंक अकाउंट में कुछ पैसे डालने का था वहाँ तक जाते थे, पैसे निकालने का था चेक लेके कतार में खड़ा होते थे हम लोग. But now, and sometimes when we used to go, we had to wait for hours if a passbook had to be upgraded. But now it's so easy. ATM में जाओ, अपना पैसा निकालो तो कितना बैलेंस है अपने आप अपने फोन पे आ जाएगा. I mean, there's so much. Each thing is linked to the other. Each thing is linked to the other. So one grave mistake what I had done is, initially when all this technology came and when I needed to upgrade myself, I never paid heed to it. I thought अरे मेरे hard copy में और scooter में जाके अपना काम मैं सब कर सकती हूँ. But of late, after the pandemic, I realized that जितना टेक्नोलॉजी आप अपने लिए, अपने काम के लिए, अपने हर दिन की मजबूरियां पूरी करने के लिए आप अगर सीख जाओ तो there's nothing like that. Initially, when the social media came and the Facebook, when each friends were talking, I'm on Facebook, are you on Facebook? I mean, we were so excited about it, and then we went into it and all. And after some time, there are pros and cons of everything. But the best part is we actually should know how to handle it. There are sometimes, you get pathetic calls from somebody, from the messenger, ma'am, I'm in this trouble, ma'am, I know you're a philanthropist, can you help me, this, that and all. Okay, fine, some things might be the truth, but something it may be. Because I have faced it. Initially, the first year when I was there, I used to get a lot of friend requests from women. The name used to be, because उतना तो मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं चलता था ना. कोई एक विमेन मेरे पे शायद मैं पहले बैंगलोर में थे, उसके पहले मैं गोवा में थी, उसके पहले मैं कुमटा में थे, शायद कोई पहचान वाला रहेगा, उन्होंने मेरे को. सो वंस यू एक्सेप्ट दैट, आफ्टर सम टाइम मैसेंजर में चैटिंग शुरू होता था एंड इतना गंदा चैटिंग. एंड लेटर ऑन आई यूज्ड टू रियलाइज दैट इट्स अ man who is using a woman's name to send requests to women and all that. So all these silly things, stupid things keep on happening. So I think we have to be very, 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 very careful. I've seen lot of women of my age who have fallen prey to certain calls which they received through Facebook friends, where they have been conned with lakhs and lakhs of money. There are people who have been lured, young widows who have been, my friends, lot of them, who have been young widows who have been lured by men on the Facebook saying that we'll marry you, and then they have just robbed them and left them nowhere. I mean, so many things are happening. So, dear friends, especially friends of my age, enjoy the Facebook, enjoy your Instagram, enjoy the WhatsApp calls, whatever it is, enjoy it, but know where to strain it, know how to stop it, and know how to accept certain friend requests and know how to reject. And what I do is, when somebody acts funny or behaves smart or sends one simple indecent message, yes, I just delete it and I finish it there itself. there are times when you get certain threats also. Certain see me being a social activist, sometimes I go here and there for people's problems or something. Then, somebody sends me a request, and through that request, somebody tries to scold me or tries to threaten me and all those things. I mean, I've faced all those things and I've come out of it. And now I act pretty safe. But still, friends, I am on Facebook. I enjoy writing whatever I would like to feel. जो भी मेरे मन में आता है वो मैं उसमें लिखती हूँ. WhatsApp, I'm in a lot of groups, I think, and all. Only one thing what we have to be careful when we are writing is don't write anything derogatory. Don't write anything which will hurt the religious sentiments of people. Don't write anything apolitical, or don't try to be very brash against some social issues on your Facebook wall. Because there are certain times I've seen on people's walls where people keep on fighting with each other, and on the wall, they put gandi gandi gaaliyan dete, abusive language use karte, and so many things, So just be careful, Write about yourself. Write about yourself. Write about your life. Write about your travelogues. Write about your grandchildren. Write about your garden. Write about the place around you. Write about the books you're reading. Okay, write about certain very nice issues which you feel will be useful. Write about stories. If you are a good avid reader, write about the critic for some book which you have read. I mean, if you are good in music, write about music. I mean, there are so many things, but kindly don't write any derogatory things which might get you in trouble. So with this message, what I would like to say is I have updated myself to an extent which will make me comfortable to live in this competitive world without depending on anybody for my day-to-day needs and my day-to-day requirements. Thank you.